Hi guys, today we gonna learn to make DIY wall decor, best wall hanging craft idea at home, beautiful wall hanging craft. So you need some required materials. First you have to take two shape of different color paper. They should be 5 into 5 cm and 2 into 6 cm.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Now take the 5 into 5 cm paper, crease it, twitch. Mark some measurement with a pencil as like showing on the video. Cut it through the line by a scissor. Keep your eyes carefully. It become a flower. Now crease its corners as like showing on the video. Then take a pencil and make a hole shape on the middle of the flower by it. Have some glue on the middle of it and then put a stone ball. Make it more by the same way. Now take the 2 into 6 cm paper and crease it. Cut its side as like showing on the video. Make it more by the same way. Take a circle shape cut in hardboard paper as like showing on the video. Have some glue on it and attach the flowers on it, 2-piece and leaf flower category. Keep attaching. Keep attaching. Wow! Now see how beautiful of your making flower wall hanging is. So by this, you can make more DIY wall decor. Best wall hanging craft idea at home, beautiful wall hanging craft.